Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to upload high quality video on your WhatsApp status. Now, one thing that we have to mention before we start this video, subscribe if you want videos just like this every single day. We upload 5 videos a day. So let's get started with this. So basically, you'll have to go and open the WhatsApp application on your Android smartphone or iPhone. Make sure you open the application, not WhatsApp web or something like that. And then you will need to go from the home settings or home screen. You can tap on the more option button. And as you can see right here, you need to select the settings option. And here you will have photo upload quality. So here you can actually go and scroll down and click on that. And once you click on that, you will get a couple of options. You have auto, which is recommended. This is usually not the best quality out there. You have best quality, which is the best quality out there, and then you have data saver, which is basically the worst quality. So click best quality and make sure that is ticked. This is basically how you will be able to go and upload high quality video on WhatsApp status. You just need to go and turn on the best quality, not auto or recommended, not data saver, but best quality. Make sure that is turned on. And as you can see, this option will allow you to upload high quality images and videos to your WhatsApp status. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, obviously you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.